Episode 9, The Sandcastle Circus. Building sandcastles is a favourite pastime for kids and adults who think they're still kids. But let's be honest, it's never as easy as it looks. The sand's either too dry or too wet, and your grand designs always end up looking like a lump of sand with a stick poking out of the top. You start with ambitious plans, turrets, moats, and maybe even a drawbridge. Armed with buckets, spades, and an imagination fueled by childhood dreams, you set to work. The first mound of sand collapses like a souffle left in the oven too long. Undeterred, you adjust your technique, patting and sculpting with a mix of determination and hope. Finally, your castle begins to take shape. You're feeling triumphant, like a medieval architect overseeing the construction of a mighty fortress. But then, just as you add the finishing touches, a rogue wave crashes ashore. Your masterpiece crumbles into the sand, leaving you staring at a sandy ruin. But hey, it's all part of the sandcastle circus. You rebuild, this time with even more enthusiasm and a better understanding of coastal engineering. You incorporate seaweed battlements and shell mosaics, turning your castle into a sandy wonderland. You take pictures, hoping to capture the fleeting glory before the tide claims your creation once more. And amidst the laughter of children and the distant cries of seagulls, you realise that building sandcastles isn't just about the final product. It's about the joy of creation and the resilience to start anew with each tide. So next time you hit the beach, bring your buckets and spades, embrace the sandcastle circus, and remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the sandy journey.